Hello. It's been a really long time since I filmed, and I come back looking like this. My hair looks great. I don't know what I'm filming. I just wanted to film something and put it up. I was thinking about doing like easy makeup because I am pregnant, as most people know. I am 35 weeks, so if it sounds like I'm breathing heavy, it's because I am. Because when you're pregnant, you can't breathe. But I wanted to do easy makeup because this is reality and this is like everyday life. Like, I don't even put on makeup every day. I put on makeup like on the weekends if I feel like it. So I think that's what we're gonna do today. I don't know, but let's just get into this makeup look. I actually wanted to mention too that I got my monthly Influenster box. I think I got it, I don't know, last week or maybe the week before. But here it is. I already took everything out of it, except for this little coupon. So for this month, I got the Summer Splash Voxbox. And so the first thing that's in here is a coupon for Country Crock plant butter product. So I'm not sure if I'm going to try this, but might as well. It's a coupon. But yeah, let's see what it says. So they send you this little card and it explains what everything is. It says a delicious dairy-free plant-based butter that tastes like dairy butter and is great for cooking and baking. So I might try it. Also got these Kiss lashes. It says the Naked Drama Collection, and then right here it says Tool. So I think the name of it is Tool. It says reusable, contact lens friendly. I'm not sure if we're going to try these out today because these are really dramatic for a Sunday. All I'm going to be doing today is like cleaning, probably going to the store to get more baby stuff, but maybe some shopping. So I'm not trying to do like full glam, but I will use these eventually and I'll post it on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see that. Another thing I got, which I probably will use today, is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Water Drop Primer, and it is rose. It says revolutionary cream to water formula, hydrates and locks down moisture, blurs the appearance of pores. So I'm definitely trying this today. We'll see if I like it. I'll also try to look less tired. I mean, I will look less tired the more makeup I put on, but wow, I feel so tired. I also got this. So I don't know when I'm going to use this, but this is the Smiles Prid, P-R-I-D, homeopathic drawing salve. Salve, I think is how you pronounce it. And on here, it just says, Smiles Prid Homeopathic Drawing Salve has natural active ingredients to relieve minor skin irritations, including ingrown hairs, splinters, insect bites, and boils. So I don't have any minor skin irritations right now. So that's why I said I don't know if I'm going to use that. And then I believe the last thing I got are these Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. So I've gotten some Eva NYC stuff before in my influencer box, so I'm excited to try this. Magically Perfect Hair starts in the shower with Main Magic 10-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. So these are just a sample size, but the MSRP on here is $12 each. These are $6.99. Wet n Wild is $5.49. This is $8.99. And then this is $3.49 for 2 sticks and $2.49 for the tubs. So that's the dollar value of that. So thank you, Influencer, for sending me this stuff. I have to post it on my Instagram too, because I don't think they really check YouTube videos. I wish they did, but yeah, they check to see like if you posted about their stuff. Yeah. If you want to know more about Influencer, just reach out to me and I will let you know. 1, it has the steps right here. Step 1, go to the app. Step 2, try your products. Step 3, unlock badges. Step 4, take a survey. It's really so easy and it's so nice trying new products. Also, pregnancy makes your allergies worse. So if my nose is red, that's why. It makes your allergies so bad, and like sometimes you have allergies and sometimes you don't. Crazy. But okay, let's get into this makeup look.
We're gonna start this look off with 2 different primers.
I just globbed out so much. Whoops.
We're starting off with the Smashbox priming water and the Wet n Wild rose primer that came out of the Voxbox. We're just gonna put that all over our face. And then I'm going to spot conceal with a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer with 2 different shades. I'm going to use a lighter shade for the center areas of my face and a darker shade for the outer areas of my face. This is not going to give me 100% full coverage, so you still will see freckles and slight redness around my nose, mostly because of allergies. But I wasn't trying to cake on any product on my skin, so I wanted to keep this more natural. I did apply a little bit more under my eyes to try to cover the eye bag so I wouldn't look as tired. And then we're going to use this darker Rimmel concealer to contour. I started out with a sponge, but it blended out much better on my nose with a Real Techniques brush. And then we're also going to contour the sides of our face. And the side of my cheek here did work better with the sponge, as well as my forehead. That works better with the sponge too. Just on my nose, it was working better with a brush. And then I am kind of harshly pulling back my little baby hairs here so that I don't get any product in my hair. And then we're going to set the center of our face with a sponge and the Dermablend powder. And then we will set the rest of our face lightly with a brush. Brushing this over top of that contour is not going to cover it up. It's just going to set it, make it easier to blend powders over top. Now we're going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to bronze the face. I like to layer my bronzers and contour to make them look more seamless. Now we're going to use the Hoola bronzer to slightly contour. And these brushes I've been using are just Morphe brushes. You can get them at Ulta now. I'm using a blush here. I didn't show the blush because it didn't show up very well and I didn't really like it very much. And then I'm using Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. You can't really see the highlight in this lighting because it's such natural lighting, but if I was in the sun, you'd be able to see it. And then I'm just using the Kat Von D highlight and contour palette. I'm just using those highlight shades in that palette to kind of give me a little bit more coverage under my eyes and smooth out the bronzer around my jawline. And we're just going to set the face with this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist.
I did want to play around with this new palette that I just got from Manny MUA, the Strawberry Dream palette. I also got the of the lips. The third one was sold out, but I did get the Dreamy lip gloss. This packaging is so pretty. And I got Dreamsicle liquid lipstick. So I'm not feeling the brightness of this today. I'm feeling a nude, so I'll probably end up using the gloss. But I haven't got that far yet. But I have not even touched this palette yet. I think I opened it and looked at it, and then I put it back in the box because I was waiting to show on YouTube. So this, I know I said it's Manny MUA, but his brand is called Lunar Beauty, and you can follow them on Instagram if you want, if you haven't seen them yet. But this packaging is so cool. This is like 3D right here. So, and then this is just what the back looks like. Then inside the palette, this is what it looks like. So it's so pretty. These glitters on the top, this blue diamond, oh my gosh.
We're going to start by applying this shade in our crease. This shade I believe is called Skyline. And it's just more of a neutral pink to start our transition. And then we're going to place Sunset a little bit lower than Cloudy, kind of more towards the outer part of our eyes to start to build the depth to kind of give you that smoky kind of cat eye. We're not going to go too smoky with this since I said I wanted it to be more natural, but we are going to make sure we blend really well since these are pink shades. And then we're going to use Strawberry Moon, even lower and more just in the outer V to give the final touch of depth in the outer corner. This shade is very beautiful and these colors blend so easy. So if you need pinks in your life, you need this palette. And now we're going to use, I believe that shade was Cloudy. We're just going to use this to help blend our inner corner. And then we're just going to apply Blue Diamond as our inner corner kind of pop of color. This is very sticky. I did not need a glitter glue, and I mean sticky in a good kind of way, like it was sticking to my eye and I didn't have a lot of fallout. And then we're going to use this Too Faced glitter that matches this shadow perfectly. We're going to kind of use it to give a little spotlight on the center of our eye, just to draw more attention to our pupil and the color of our eye. And I think this matches that shadow perfectly. And then I'm just going to use a neutral brown underneath my eye. I didn't want to wrap the pink all the way around. I'm not trying to look like I have pink eye. So we're just going to use a neutral brown, and this also helps bring out that blue color in our eyes. And then you can just use any brown eyeliner. I'm just using this to tightline. It's a lot faster than doing a wing, and still brings attention to your eyes, makes the eye color pop even more.
So I'm not going to fill in my brows at all because I got them tinted, and that was the point of me getting them tinted. So I'm just going to put some brow gel in.
After our brows, we're just going to apply the shade Lightning as an inner corner highlight and a brow highlight. This has a nice gold tint to it, so it works perfectly for a highlight shade. This brush is just an older e.l.f. brush that I have. And then we're going to use Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit. I have really short lashes, so I kind of get the same effect from any mascara that I use, but I do prefer high-end mascaras that are not waterproof because they do not make my waterline itchy at all. This mascara is very liquidy, and I feel like it's really easy to apply to bottom and top lashes. I'm just applying more blush here. It's a different shade that I thought matched the eyeshadow a lot better. And I'm using a natural haired brush so that we don't apply too much. And now we're going to do our lips. We're going to use this lip liner from MAC. And we're just going to line our top and bottom lip, kind of filling it in a little bit. This look was so quick and easy and perfect for any new moms out there that are trying to learn how to do their makeup. It does look like it takes a little bit longer because I have to explain to you guys what I'm doing, but when I'm doing this by myself, not in front of the camera, it goes really quickly.
These are the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics lipsticks. They're so cute. Basically, I'll just like touch on what happened. So these are so pretty. She had a lot of drama with the lab that she was using, and she's switching labs. So these are not, I believe these are not on the market right now, but I got them when they first came out, and mine are completely fine. Nothing's wrong with mine, so I'm going to use them. This is Nude AF. I'm going to try this one.
These lipsticks are very creamy, so I started with a light hand blending it into the lip liner, and then you'll see me blend with my finger as well. This is the technique that I use so that I don't overdo it with too much product on my lips. This is how I prefer to do it. You could blend it with the lipstick. This is that Lunar Beauty lip gloss. I'm just going to apply a little bit in the center.
Okay guys, so that's it for this video. So this is the finished look. It ended up really pink. I've been super into pinks lately. I don't know if it's because I'm having a girl. I think I'm obsessed, but I love these tones, and it's also bringing out the color of my eyes so nice. So I love that. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't know if I'm going to do anything with my hair because, like I said, I'm just going shopping today. So I might brush it and then put it back up into a messy bun. I think this look looks really good with my hair back actually, and it's summer and I'm pregnant and it's hot outside, so I'm probably just gonna leave my hair, so no judging. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I don't know if there's anything else that I need to talk about. Hopefully I will get this edited and up really quickly. Yeah, no promises. That's the hardest thing for me. It's not hard for me to film, it's hard for me to edit because you just have to sit there at your computer and I get bored. And yeah, but I need to do that. So let me know if you guys want any other kind of videos because I can do that for you. Okay, bye. Hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.